Hey there, tech fans. Today I have the brand new Eufy P3 Smart Scale. Now, like a lot of folks, I really enjoy a good meal. Whether it's home cooked or out at a restaurant, I just like food. And you can probably tell by looking at me that I eat a little too much. And I know that's true because every year when I go to my doctor for my annual visit, he says to me, "Why don't you lose a little weight? You'll be a whole lot healthier." And sure enough, I'll come home from that visit, I'll start exercising, and after a couple of weeks, I kind of give up. Well, this year I thought, let me take it serious, and it all starts with the bathroom scale because the inspiration to lose weight is stepping on that scale every morning to see your progress. And we have an older scale in the bathroom because that's kind of one of the things that you buy, put in the bathroom, and you step on it occasionally to check your weight, but you don't think about it an awful lot. So I thought, let me start by replacing the bathroom scale with something a little smarter. And I started doing some research, and I was shocked with the level of technology that's now included in most modern Bluetooth scales. And this one in particular has 16 different measurements that it takes when you step on the top of it, which I think is absolutely incredible. Now, before I get too deep into all the cool features this provides, let me show you what comes with it. So when you first pop open the box, you'll find the P3 scale. You'll find a full instruction manual that explains everything you could possibly want to know about it. This connects to your phone over Bluetooth. It connects to your Wi-Fi network if you have a 2.4 gigahertz frequency band. But it explains how you can use the scale, and you can actually customize the display, and I'll explain that in a minute. They also include 4 AAA batteries, which I think is a really nice touch because a lot of times you'll buy a product like this, bring it home, open up the box, and then you need a bunch of batteries, and you're searching all over the house to find the right size and the right number of batteries. So having these in the kit means that I can put these in the unit and immediately start using it. So really nice job there, Eufy. All right, so about the scale. Again, I'm blown away by the amount of features this scale provides. So once you step on the scale, it starts measuring things like body mass index, your weight, your heart rate, a bunch of other things, up to 16 different metrics, which it then displays on this beautiful LED display in the top. Now you have control over what's being displayed on your phone. You can customize the display, but it also will send that information to your phone either directly to the Eufy Health app, or you can use the Apple Health app if you're on Apple, and Android's got a bunch of health apps as well, but it keeps track of your progress over time. Now that would be enough for me right there to sort of be able to track my progress. That's inspiring, so I can look at it and go, okay, over the last couple of weeks I lost this many pounds. But this one takes it to the next level. It has personal coaching involved where it can actually look at your statistics and you can tell the application what you're most concerned about, whether it's your weight or your BMI, you're trying to build muscle, whatever it happens to be, and the application will track that specific metric and give you suggestions. Maybe you need to do more sit-ups, maybe you need to do a little more running or get on the bike a little more. So it's kind of nice. The one thing I found really amazing is that it creates a digital avatar of you. So when you first step on the scale, it actually has a picture of you that shows you roughly what you look like based on your height and your weight. And that's kind of debilitating because when you look at that, I'm thinking myself, I'm like, there's no way I'm that big, but there's the avatar. But over time, as you lose the weight and you get a little healthier, the avatar shrinks and it gets smaller. So it's like a visual coach as well as sort of being a nag coach to get you outside and get you working. So I like that an awful lot. Now, some people may not like that, and if that's the case, don't look at the avatar, but I like the fact that I can actually customize the scale to show me exactly what I want to see up here, including trending data, which is really important. So if yesterday I was a certain weight and today I've lost a pound because I was on the bike for 2 hours, it shows that trending line moving down, which to me is inspiring because I'm thinking it went down. If I do the same exercise tomorrow, it'll go down a little further. So it's sort of like your gentle personal coach to keep you on track to lose that weight. And I think that's absolutely amazing. It runs on 4 AAA batteries. Again, it'll connect over Bluetooth to your phone, your tablet, whatever application you're running for the most part. It also connects over Wi-Fi. So those coaching suggestions, I think, are a really nice touch. Now, physically, it's a big scale. It's 12.8 by 12.8, so there's plenty of space to get your feet on the top. It's also incredibly stable. A lot of the scales I looked at looked a little flimsy, and when I watched the reviews, they were kind of like flipping up when you stepped on them. The reason this one's so stable is on the bottom, you've got these 4 rubber feet, which really keep it in place, but there are 2 stabilization pads on either side, because a lot of the other ones that don't have those, again, when you step on them, they kind of fishtail. They go up in the air like that. With this one, you step on it, it's going to stay right where you left it. And the thing I like most about it is that the display on the front is bright. You can see it from a standing distance, and it gives you a lot of really good statistics right on the scale. Now, if you want just your weight, There are simpler versions. The P2 is one of them from Eufy that does that, but I like the fact that I can see that trending data really quickly, and more importantly, I can customize what that display shows me. So all those things together are pretty cool, and I think it's a really nice scale. So hopefully you found this review helpful. If you're looking to lose weight or you're just looking to keep track of your health, you might want to consider the P3. It gives you everything you need in a modern digital scale that, again, transmits to your phone, keeps track of your data over time, and shows you trending lines. And it's got that personal avatar. So if you need some kind of visual inspiration, just take a look at that character on your phone. I'm telling you, that's inspiring me. It'll probably inspire you as well. So thanks an awful lot for watching. We'll see you next time.